Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install an H7 LED bulb in your halogen Mercedes headlights. This is not for the projection ones because those use 9005. They do use the H7 for the high beams, but this is specifically for you guys that have the standard halogen headlights and you want something brighter and whiter. So you guys are wondering, why are you doing this video? Isn't it a simple change in, change out? Well, not really. For an H7 headlights, you actually need to do something that's a little more involved to get the bulb to sit properly in the housing itself. I'll show you why. Okay, so here's why you can't just take this halogen bulb out and replace it with an LED. So this entire fixture, you see this prong here and this prong here, that's where it actually clicks into place and holds onto the housing. When you take the old halogen bulb off and you want to install the LED, this LED plug plugs into this and then this goes in. So this has no prongs to hold it into the housing. The prongs are back here. So here's how I fixed it. So this is the LED bulb that I bought online. It's by a company called NAO. I'll leave a link in the description below. This bulb is an H7 bulb. It's 6000K, so it's super white and super bright. So to make this fit on the H7 halogen headlamps, you have to remove this black plate. So if you look carefully, this plate is round and then up top it's flat with like a kind of like a square piece up top, and that's the top, and the LEDs are on the side. So all you have to do is pull this off, and then you have to buy this. This comes in a pair. These are basically H7 LED bulb retainers, or I think they're also called brackets. I think this cost me, I want to say 10 bucks online. I'll leave a link also for this. And what you do is basically on that square part up top, this one also has a square part. You line it up like this, and then you can put this whole entire piece inside your headlight and then clip it on. Once it's part of your headlight now, you can take this bulb and just insert it right in. I think this option is kind of hard to do because there's not a lot of space in the headlight area, especially on the driver's side, to do this. So what I did was I installed all of this onto the LED bulb, but this is still kind of flimsy, so it's still hard to put the bulb in and try to turn this. I used some JB Weld and I welded the retainer clip to this black metal plate for the LED bulb. So now they're one solid piece. So if I take the LED bulb and slide it through, making sure that square piece is at the top, the LEDs on the side, now this retainer will not move, and I can actually put this bulb in and twist just like a normal bulb. So let's get this installed. So here's the bulb with my retainer clip that's JB welded on. It's solid. I'm gonna plug it in. And also when you plug this in, the polarity might be wrong. So if you turn on your headlights and they don't turn on, just unplug this and twist it and plug it in the opposite direction. So I'm gonna install this. Wow, that was actually really easy. Sneak all the wires through. Seems like this whole entire fixture doesn't want to go in, so I might have to remove the bulb first. Sneak all the wires in first, and then install the bulb. Okay, so that did the trick. And then this dust cover What I'm gonna do, but I'm not gonna show in the video, is I'm gonna drill some tiny holes just so the LED bulb can breathe, because it gets really hot in there even though when you have a fan as part of the bulb. I wouldn't recommend leaving this off. I definitely say leave it on, but definitely drill some holes so there's some breathing room. So I'm gonna put it on for now just to test the bulb to see if everything works. Okay, I just started the car. On the right side is the 6000K LED bulb. On the left is actually a Philips Diamond Vision halogen bulb. Check this out. Look at that. There's so much more light, it's so much wider, and it's so much brighter. All for roughly about the same price. Let's go outside and check this out. And of course, they're dope door lights, better than mine. Wow, look at that. Huge difference. So you can see the Philips Diamond Vision bulb and then the LED bulb. And a lighted star that she installed. Huge difference. So now I just got to do the other side and I'm all set. Okay, now both bulbs are installed. Bam! Holy crap. So I'm gonna drive around like this for a bit and see if I get any errors on the dashboard. So I drove around for a bit and the bulbs actually work really well. There's no error messages whatsoever. So I highly do recommend these bulbs. If you like the video, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe and I will see you next time.